Hello, everyone. It's great to have you here again with us.
I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're listening today.
And I'm Jack, and as always, we're excited to share this conversation with you.
We truly appreciate your time and support.
Yes, it means a lot that you choose to learn English with us.
Before we begin, if you want to speak English more confidently and enjoy real, natural conversations like this, please follow our podcast.
And don't forget to share it with your friends or anyone who wants to improve their English.
Also, make sure you stay until the end of this episode.
Because today's topic might really change the way you think about life.
Today's topic is a little emotional.
It's also a bit deep and thoughtful.
And honestly, it might even feel a little confusing.
Confusing? That already sounds interesting to me.
Yes, because today we're asking a question that doesn't have just one simple answer.
I like these kinds of questions because they make us think more deeply.
Exactly. They help us understand ourselves better.
All right, Emma, I'm ready. What's the question?
Here it is. What is more important in life? Love, money, honor, or fame?
Wow, that is a very big and powerful question.
Yes, and the interesting thing is that everyone has a different answer.
That's true because everyone has different experiences and values.
Before we go deeper into this discussion, I want to make a quick request.
Yes, please take a moment to support us.
If this podcast helps you improve your English and also think more deeply about life, please follow and share it.
Share it with someone who enjoys meaningful conversations like this.
Because today is not just about learning English.
It's also about understanding yourself and your priorities.
All right, Jack, let me ask you something first.
Okay, I'm ready for your question.
If you had to choose only one, what would you pick?
That's not an easy question at all.
Take your time. There's no rush.
Honestly, if I had to choose, I think I would say love.
That's interesting. Why did you choose love?
Because without love, everything else can feel empty.
That's a very deep and emotional answer.
Think about it, Emma. You can have money, fame, and success.
Yes, that sounds like a perfect life on the outside.
But if you feel lonely inside, what's the point of all that?
That's true. Loneliness can make everything feel meaningless.
Love gives meaning to life and makes everything feel alive.
I agree. Love brings warmth and connection to our lives. But let me challenge your idea a little.
Go ahead. I'm ready to hear your thoughts.
What if someone has love but doesn't have money?
That's a very real situation in today's world.
Yes, because money is also very important in daily life.
I agree. Without money, life can become very stressful.
You start worrying about basic needs like food and bills.
And also about safety and stability.
So are you saying money is more important than love?
No, I wouldn't say more important, but I would say necessary.
That's a very balanced answer.
Money gives comfort and stability in life.
It also gives you more freedom to make choices.
Yes, and it can reduce many everyday problems.
But can money actually give happiness?
Not directly, but it can remove stress.
That's true, and less stress can make life easier.
So maybe money doesn't create happiness.
But it definitely supports a happier life.
I really like that way of thinking.
Now let's talk about fame.
Ah, yes, the modern dream for many people.
Today, many people want to be famous.
Especially because of social media and online attention.
People want followers, likes, and recognition.
But is fame really important in life?
Personally, I don't think it is.
Why do you think that?
Because fame depends on other people.
That's true. It's not something you fully control.
Exactly. People's opinions can change very quickly.
Today they know you, tomorrow they forget you.
And that makes fame very unstable.
That sounds a little scary when you think about it.
Yes, because it's not permanent or reliable.
But still, many people chase fame.
Yes, because attention can feel powerful and exciting.
Now let's talk about the last one, honor.
This one is very interesting and often ignored.
Honor means respect, values, and integrity.
It means doing the right thing even when no one is watching.
I feel like honor is extremely important.
Yes, because it defines who you truly are.
Money can come and go in life,
Fame can also come and disappear quickly.
but honor stays with you all the time.
It becomes part of your character and identity.
It shows your true personality and values.
Now I feel a little confused.
Why do you feel confused?
Because all four things seem important in different ways.
Yes, and that's what makes this question so powerful.
So maybe the answer is not choosing just one.
Maybe the real answer is finding balance between them.
That's a very deep conclusion.
Yes, life is rarely about only one thing.
Now let's ask our listeners something.
Yes, this is your turn to think.
What do you think is most important? Love, money, honor, or fame?
Take a moment and really think about your answer.
Because your answer shows your values.
And your values shape your life and decisions.
In the next part, we'll talk about real-life situations.
We'll explore choices and what happens when these values conflict.
That's going to be very interesting.
So stay with us and keep listening.
Let's imagine a situation for a moment.
Okay, I'm imagining. What's the situation?
You have a job that pays very well.
Sounds good already.
But here's the catch. You don't enjoy it.
Oh, I see. You feel stressed, tired, and disconnected?
Exactly. That's very real for many people.
Okay, now imagine another option.
I'm listening.
A simple job, less money, but you feel peaceful and happy.
That's tempting.
So now the question is, what do you choose, money or happiness?
Exactly. That's not easy at all. Both have value.
Yes, money gives comfort.
But peace gives happiness. That's true happiness.
Let's make it even deeper.
All right, I'm ready.
Imagine you become famous.
Okay, people know you, follow you, admire you.
Sounds exciting, right?
Very. But there's a downside. You lose your privacy.
People judge you, watch you, talk about you.
That can be extremely stressful.
So again, a question, fame or peace?
This is getting intense.
Yes, because real life is exactly like this.
Let's try another scenario.
Okay, go ahead.
You can make more money, but you have to do something unethical.
Ah, now honor comes into the picture.
So what do you choose? Money or honor?
This is where character really gets tested.
Yes, it's easy to talk about values, but difficult to actually live by them.
Very true.
Now, I want to ask you something honestly.
Go ahead.
Have you ever chosen comfort over growth?
Yes, many times.
Same here. And later, we regret it.
Exactly. Deep down, we know we could have done better.
Now, I want to ask something very important.
I'm ready.
Do you think people chase money because they truly need it, or because society tells them to?
That's a powerful question. What do you think?
I think it's both.
Explain.
At first, people need money to survive.
Yes, that's true.
But after a point, it becomes about status.
Ah, comparison with others.
Exactly. People want more, not because they need more, but because others have more.
That's dangerous.
Yes, because you can lose your own direction in life.
Now, let's talk about love again.
Okay, do you think love is enough?
That's difficult. Many people say love is everything.
But real life is more complex than that.
Exactly. Love is powerful, but it also needs support.
Like stability, understanding, and effort.
Yes, so maybe love is important, but not the only thing.
I think I'm starting to see a pattern.
What pattern?
All these things are important, but only in balance.
Yes, balance is the key. Too much focus on money and you lose peace.
Too much focus on fame and you lose privacy.
Too much focus on comfort and you lose growth.
And without honor, you lose yourself.
That line is powerful.
Because it's true.
Now, let's ask our listeners again.
Yes, if you had to choose today, what would you choose?
And more importantly, why? Because your why shows your mindset.
And your mindset shapes your future.
I feel like this conversation has already changed how I think.
That's the goal, not just learning English, but seeing life differently.
Honestly, we don't usually stop to think about these things.
Yes, we just keep moving, working, and chasing without asking, what am I really chasing?
Exactly.
So let me ask you one last time, but in a different way. Okay, let's imagine your life 10 years from now.
All right.
What would make you feel truly satisfied?
Wow, that's a beautiful question. Take your time. Thank you. I think I would want a life where I feel peaceful.
Peaceful, not just successful.
Exactly. Because success without peace feels empty somehow.
That makes sense. What else would you want?
I would want meaningful relationships, people I love and who support me.
So love is still very important for you.
Very important, always.
And what about money?
Of course, I want enough money to live comfortably.
So money is necessary, but not everything.
Exactly.
And fame?
Honestly, I don't think I need fame.
Why not?
Because I don't want my happiness to depend on other people's attention.
That's a very mature answer. Thank you.
And honor? That's non-negotiable for me.
Non-negotiable? I like that word.
It means I would never compromise my values for anything.
Even for money.
Yes.
Even for success.
Yes.
That's strong, because at the end of the day, you have to live with yourself.
That line hits deep because it's true.
Now, I want to answer the same question.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
For me, I think balance is everything.
Explain that.
I don't want only love, or only money, or only success.
You want a combination.
Yes, but in the right proportion. That's very important.
I want enough money to feel secure.
Yes, I want love to feel connected.
Of course, I want honor to feel proud of myself.
That's beautiful. And maybe a little recognition.
Not fame?
No, not fame. Just appreciation.
That's very honest.
Because fame feels too heavy. It comes with pressure.
Exactly. Now I think we're reaching something important.
What's that?
There is no single perfect answer.
Yes, it depends on the person, their values, their experiences, their mindset, and their priorities.
Exactly. Now let's turn this to our listeners.
Yes, this is for you. Think honestly, what matters most to you right now?
Not what society says, not what your friends say, but what you truly feel.
Because your answer will guide your decisions.
And your decisions will shape your life.
Let's give them a small exercise.
Good idea. Write this down. Love, money, honor, fame.
And rank them from most important to least important.
Then ask yourself, why did I choose this order?
That why is everything because it shows your truth.
Now, let's say something very important.
Go ahead.
There is no wrong answer, but there are consequences.
Exactly. If you choose money over everything, you may lose relationships.
If you choose fame, you may lose privacy.
If you ignore honor, you may lose self-respect.
And without love, life can feel empty.
Every choice has a cost.
Yes, but awareness helps you choose wisely.
Now I feel like this conversation is complete.
Yes, but before we end, let's slow things down and look at some important vocabulary from today's episode.
Let's begin with a powerful word we used, priority.
Priority means something that is more important than other things.
For example, family is my top priority, or you should focus on your priorities first.
Repeat with me, priority.
Next word, balance.
Balance means having the right mix of different things in your life.
For example, life is better when you have balance, or he's trying to balance work and personal life.
Repeat with me, balance.
Next word, value.
Value means what is important to you in life.
For example, honesty is one of my core values. Or, your values guide your decisions.
Repeat after me. Value.
Next word, fame.
Fame means being known by many people.
For example, she became famous after her success.
Or, fame can bring both success and pressure.
Repeat with me, fame.
Next word, honor.
Honor means having strong moral values and respect.
For example, he chose honor over money.
Or, living with honor means doing the right thing.
Repeat with me. Honor.
Next word, make a choice.
To make a choice means to decide between options.
For example, you have to make a choice between comfort and growth.
Repeat. Make a choice.
Next word, consequences.
Consequences are the results of your actions.
For example, every decision has consequences.
Or, you must accept the consequences of your choices.
Repeat, consequences.
And finally, meaningful.
Meaningful means something that has deep value or purpose.
For example, she wants a meaningful life.
Or, meaningful relationships are more important than fame.
Repeat. Meaningful.
And these were today's key words and phrases.
Yes, together they help you talk about life, decisions, and what truly matters.
So, before we leave, ask yourself one last question.
What kind of life do I want?
And start building it step by step. Take care, think deeply, and choose wisely.
Bye, everyone.